Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to show the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, almost 30 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can compare the total screen time in particular days of the week. Under it, you've got the list of the list of the apps which you've been using and the time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings in my case, and this time again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so you can check the specific information about it. Under it, you've got also the ways to disconnect, and to be honest, I highly recommend to use them and to check them, especially in the situation where you're spending too much time on the screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.